What is SlideShare? SlideShare is the world's largest community for sharing presentations. It's got about 60 million monthly visitors and 100 million page views per month, and it's amongst the most visited 200 websites in the world. Besides presentations, SlideShare also supports documents, PDFs, videos, and webinars. You can upload PowerPoints, OpenOffice, and Keynote files, and you could share these publicly with millions of viewers or just share privately with colleagues, clients, and on intranets. And basically, you can find any presentation on any topic. You can reuse or remix ideas or assets for your own, and you can also use these just for research or business purposes. Now, what can SlideShare do for your business? For one, it could build your brand and your reputation. One of my favorite things about SlideShare is that you can use it to collect business leads. You can even use their lead generation service called LeadShare, which unfortunately is not free, but is worth it for the appropriate type of business. But basically, you can collect leads on SlideShare by just putting a call to action on your presentations or your PDFs and videos. And some other things that you can do on SlideShare that's beneficial for your business is, for one, you can make professional contacts on this network. You can improve your presentation skills and maybe even get invited for public speaking or conferences when people find you on this network. Another great thing about SlideShare is that it can help your content go viral. Okay, you can also create webinars, recorded lectures, and musical slideshows. You can even embed YouTube videos in your SlideShare presentations. And you can even add SlideShare to your LinkedIn and Facebook profiles. And basically, you can make your SlideShare channel an extension of your website or your brand. What is powerful about SlideShare is that if your presentation gets popular, it can be viewed by millions of people potentially. Thus, making a high quality and attention-grabbing presentation is very important. You should also consider your presentation as a front-end advertisement that has a call to action. Now, if you are into SEO or search engine optimization, keep in mind that SlideShare presentations often appear in search engine results, so make sure that your keywords are optimized. Now, SlideShare can also be integrated into your social media marketing, as your content can spread virally through blogs and social networks such as LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter. You can even embed SlideShare widgets on blogs, wikis, and websites. One idea for you is to convert your presentation into an ebook and make it go viral.